Welcome back to another Bjorn's unboxing. Hi, I'm Chad from Bjorn's, and today we're going to be opening another new product. This is the SVS Prime Wireless Speaker System. See, so let's just get right at it. Okay, well packed. You know, it'll arrive to you safely. It's got some nice information in here, basic setup instructions, brochure, and everything you need to know. Comes with the power cable that you'll need. Comes with a speaker cable to connect between the pair of speakers. Some little rubber feet for your speakers. And then, alright, let's keep this moving. We'll get both of these out. Nice sturdy foam. Okay. Let's see. So we got speaker number 1 here. And this is our main speaker for the system. And speaker number 2. Is the companion speaker for the system. Right here you see a beautiful pair of wonderful gloss black speakers, small little two-way speakers, compact, beautiful style, great for your home. But right here you can see where the important parts of it. Number 1, you've got your controls right here on the front of the speaker. You turn it on and off, control volume, control changes, your inputs and your presets. All your connections are back here. Power. You can connect via Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet for your network. Also has Bluetooth. You got the subwoofer output, pair of line level inputs on RCA. This is the output jack that connects this and the amp and the control module in this speaker to the other speaker. And then you also have digital input and a mini jack auxiliary input. So what is it that makes these so unique? Well, unlike most of the wireless speaker product out there, this operates so that you can have true separate speakers in stereo, give you a better stereo sound, better stereo separation, more musically engaging experience. And just like all the other wireless options out there, you can control it from an app, but this also has more controls right on the speaker than the others do, including presets that you would be able to access from the controls. You know, where you could decide to play a certain playlist, a certain channel, or a certain service, and you can just walk right up to the speaker, push a button, get started playing, where if you have laid your phone in the other room or something like that, you'll be able to get it. It works on the Play-Fi system from DTS. It supports all the major streaming apps and the services like Spotify, Pandora, Tidal, if you want higher performance sound, or a whole host of others. And then they just make tremendous sound. There's 4 channels of power in the amp that drives both speakers. So each driver, the tweeter and woofer, each speaker has its own amplifier. Gives you cleaner, clearer sound, and it's just a tremendous new speaker from SVS in store now. These sell for $599.99 a pair. But some of you might already be thinking, that's cool how it works wirelessly and does all those things, but I already have some speakers I like. Well, how about this? Also from SVS, their new Prime Wireless Soundbase. If you can imagine just taking everything that those speakers have built into it out of the speaker and just putting it into a box that you can connect your own speakers to. That's what you have here with the Soundbase, and it gives you all that great wireless functionality, including the ability to connect multiple speakers in multiple rooms of your house together, playing the same music, and it does it all out of just one box with your own speakers. So whether you choose to use speakers you already have or want to pick out a new pair of speakers to go with it, you've got the new Prime Wireless Soundbase and the Prime Wireless Speaker System, both great choices for wonderful sound in your home. All right, again, just recapping what we just covered. Prime Wireless using DTS Play 5 from SVS Sound. We've got the Soundbase, $499.99, 150 watt per channel amplifier with wireless connectivity for any speakers you already own or any you might want to get, and the Prime Wireless Speaker system at $599.99 that has it all built into the speakers for you. Thanks again.